Introduction to interaction-oriented architecture. Today, more and more applications involve user input, output, interaction, and specific user interface to the software system. In this chapter, we will focus on the software architecture that best supports the interaction in the application. We also discuss the software architecture for user interface design. The interaction-oriented software architecture decomposes the system into three modules: data module, control module, and view presentation module. Each module has its own responsibility. The data module जो डेटा मॉड्यूल है वो डेटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन और ऑल कोर बिजनेस लॉजिक परफॉर्म करती है ऑन डेटा प्रोसेसिंग के ऊपर. बिजनेस लॉजिक है. Business logic is the custom rule or algorithm that are used to handle the information between the database and user interface. Business logic is an essential part of program that define how a business can operate. Business logic एक ऐसा एल्गोरिथम है जो कि इंफॉर्मेशन को हैंडल करता है डेटाबेस और यूजर इंटरफेस के दरमियान कि एक बिजनेस कैसे ऑपरेट करेगा. The view presentation module is responsible for visual, audio, data, video presentation में also provide the user input interface when necessary. View presentation module जो है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है ऑडियो और वीडियो की प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए और सम टाइम इनपुट के तौर पे भी यूज होती हैं जब ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़े तो. द कंट्रोल मॉड्यूल डिटरमाइन द फ्लो ऑफ कंट्रोल. द कंट्रोल मॉड्यूल यूज टू कंट्रोल द फ्लो involve the view selection, communication between the modules, job dispatching and certain data initialization and system configuration action. Dispatch is to make the decision which process is to be executed next. The key point of this architecture is to separate the user interaction from the data abstraction and business logic. इसका जो की पॉइंट है वो ये है कि यूजर इंटरेक्शन को डेटा abstraction और बिजनेस प्रोसेसिंग से सेपरेट किया जाए. Since there is many presentation format and multiple views can be supported by same data set, so there is a data abstraction and its presentation is helpful. Supported by this style, there might be a chance of loose coupling. The loose coupling connection can be implemented in the variety of ways such as explicit method invocation or implicit registration notification method invocation. The control module play a central role that mediates that the data module and the view presentation module, all three modules may be fully connected. Model view controller architecture. Most of the developers are familiar with this system because it is largely adopted for web server site and interaction application design such as online shopping, service, student registration, and many other interface service system. Model view controller architecture is especially used in the application where interaction are prone the database system. Model view controller also typically supports the look and feel feature in the GUI system. The Java Swing component and Java Swing layout managed are designed using MVC architecture. Model view controller is an application of three-way factoring whereby objects of different classes take over the operation related to the application domain. The display of application states and the user interaction with the module and the view means the controller. The model of an application is the domain specific software simulation or implementation of the application central structure. domain-specific modeling simulation. Domain-specific modeling is a software engineering methodology and technique for designing and developing the software system, which involve the systematic use of domain-specific language to represent the various aspects of software system. Domain-specific modeling language tend to support the higher level of abstraction than the general-purpose modeling languages, so they require less effort and few lower-level detail to specify a given system view. In this metaphor, view deal with the everything graphical that is, they require data from their model and display the data. Controller control the interface between their associated model and devices such as keyboard and pointing devices. A keyboard pointing devices and time model view. In the summary, a controller manage the input request, control the sequence of user interface, select the design desired view of output, display and manage the initialization, installations and registration of other module in MVC system. The model module provide all core functional service to the encapsulate all data detail. The model module does not depend on the other module, and it does not know which view are registered with or attached to it. The view module is responsible for developing the data provided by model module and updating the interface when the data changes are notified. The model view controller 1 is a simple version of MVC architecture where the system is simply decomposed into two subsystems, the controller view and the model. Basically, the controller view take care of the input and output processing and their interfaces. The model module incorporate with all core functionality and the data. The controller view can control the module, register the data module. The model module notify the controller module and data changes so that the graphic data display the change according to the controller and also take an appropriate action to the changes. Here is controller view can control and model view is to notify the controller about any data changes through database connected to it. Look the simple UI design of MVC1. The view as UI interface and to different field text. It will notify to the controller view. Model view can notify to the controller view if any data changes can be found. Model of MVC architecture is active rather than passive. Actually, the specific example no need to be separate module to notify the change because the action performed can take care of all necessary change. The example show how it works. Apply class view controller extend JFrog implement action listener. Action listener can contain model my model j text field my input j text field my some jpanel content. Public view controller model can take as a model object input my model equals to model object assigning my input equal to new input jtext field 5 my sum new jtext field equal to 15 content equal to new jpanel content dot add equal to my input content dot add my sum select set content pane content my input equal to add action listener my add input to the action listener public void update my sum dot dex plus model डॉट गेट सम माई सम में जो न्यू सम है उसको ऐड कर दो पब्लिक वाइड एक्शन परफॉर्म एक्शन इवेंट ई ट्राई माई मॉडल डॉट ऐड इनपुट डॉट गेट टेक्स्ट catch exception, try if okay, then add my input text, otherwise throw exception.